Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So this is the video for the mega review of the UGC NET Environmental Science paper, that June session which was conducted on September 2nd, 2024. How was the exam, the difficulty level, what the candidates are telling about their experience, and memory based questions. So all these things we'll be knowing in this video. Let's start today's video. So these are the comments and responses coming from you all people, those who have helped us to make this video. Thank you so much for that. Today's video, first of all, the comments are the question tough paper and lengthy. The lengthy paper it was for this time according to this person. So the most questions were chronological order based, lots of geology and statistics also. So geology, we have seen that since last 3-4 examination for the UGC NET Environmental Science paper, earth science, geology, the questions are coming in bulk. Yes, that is the most important things which you should know before going for the next attempt. So next is chronological order. We have to orderly arrange the sequence if it is any process or any year wise event. So that is the thing which is the pattern going on nowadays. It is not that one word answer will be there or one sentence answer. We have to arrange them in the chronological order, either in increasing order or decreasing order. Next review is coming that some questions were directly asked from the 18th June examination. Yes, the exam which was cancelled, the June session for this year 2024, directly those questions were asked. So we repeatedly told you to completely analyze the previous exam which was cancelled, because questions will be definitely coming in the exam, and we were correct, many questions came from there. Paper was moderate because there were some previous question, some repeated question, some questions were difficult because the way of asking question was different. Yes, they are not asking directly. In a twisted manner, the questions are asked nowadays in order to check the credibility of the candidates. So if you have prepared much well with in-depth knowledge, you could have answered them correctly. Next is easy to moderate. Most of the questions were from protocol, laws, convection. It is actually conventions, movements, and newly formed rules. So that was the thing which we discussed, that before going for the exam, you should know all this protocol, laws, everything. So this was the thing which came this time. Next is year by year UGC NET going too difficult to deal. Yes, it is not getting easy, it is getting difficult, but if it is difficult, the cutoff will be low. About cutoff, we will be making a separate video. Once your response sheet are out, we will go through all the questions, then only we will be able to predict the cutoff. So as the difficulty level will increase, the cutoff will also decrease. Next is, one candidate said only 8 to 10 questions are repeated. So this 8 to 10 are not only, even if 5 questions or 7 questions are repeated, that is a bonus point. Because if you are not getting JRF for one question, feel how you will feel that day when if you will miss one question. So 8 to 10 questions are repeated means you have a higher edge than other candidates if you have properly went through the previous questions and you have noted down everything properly. So this was the positive thing. Those who have prepared well from the previous year's question, they would have done well. So now let's move on to the next slide. So this poll was conducted in our Telegram group, Learn for the Environment. How was the UGC NET June 2024 re-exam for environmental sciences? So from here also we'll get an idea how the paper was. As you can see, 41% of the total candidates, those who have voted here, more than 600 people voted during the time which this was taken. Now it is more than 700. So this is a good amount of candidates, those are giving the response. 41% said that both paper 1 and paper 2 were difficult. 32% said both paper 1 and paper 2 were moderate level. So if you combine these two, it is coming more than 73%. 73 people said telling that moderate and difficult. Next, 19% said paper 1 was easy, paper 2 was moderate. Similarly, 5% both paper 1 and paper 2 easy, 3% paper 1 and paper 2 were moderate and easy respectively. So from here, we came to a conclusion that the paper was from medium to difficult level. Yes, as the questions were mostly asked for arrange the following, it was time taking and all. So it will be coming under medium to difficult level or moderate to difficult level. You can say this time the paper, that is the re-exam paper for the UGC NET June Environmental Science subject. Now we will know some of the memory based questions coming from the candidates, those who have appeared this exam. So these are the questions, actually the hints given by the candidates. So these are the things which you can also recall whether you have done it correctly or not. Behavior of stack plume with lapse rate condition in match the following. We already told you in the top 20 concept you should know before going for the examination. So that thing we have already discussed, that you should know about the lapse rate and stacking plume. Match the following: trapping, fumigation, looping, and one more option was given in the match the following. Increasing order of higher heating values. Yes, fuel, coal value, higher heating values, increasing order. Last time it was given for the lower heating value. This time maybe it has been given for higher heating value. Next is wind that blows parallel to the isobars. From there also question came. Sanitary landfill, some question came. Energy resources with age of associated rock formation. Which age, what kind of rocks or minerals are formed? Precambrian, Permian. June 2024 exact question was repeated. So these are the bonus thing. If you have done well before the examination, if you have practiced this June 2024 session examination, you will definitely get an edge over other candidates. Next questions: environmental disasters with their state in match the following. Love Canal, Fukushima, Bhopal gas tragedy. This was the thing which we uploaded just one day before the examination to know all these disaster and where they took place. So one day before, Zaclit group told you which are the things you should look for. Final rapid revision, that was a mini marathon. If you have seen that video, you could have answered this. Solid waste types in increasing order of moisture content, it was asked. Which of the following is not a hazardous waste? From the previous year's question it was asked. Chemical species with their oxidation state in the match the following, it was asked. Which chlorine gas causes red irritated eyes in the swimming pool? So these are the environmental chemistry question. Let's move. Next, NAPCC, very important, we discussed earlier. NAPCC missions under DST. Coal ranks oxygen by carbon ratio order question was asked. Metamorphic rock, low grade, high grade, exactly this candidate didn't remember. Sedimentary rock examples. Formation of petroleum deposits in order: generation, accumulation, primary migration, secondary migration, seepage, all coming from the environmental geology. Next is International Big Cat Alliance question, which we discussed in the current affairs quiz in our Telegram page. We gave the question from the Big Cat Alliance. Next is ISO 14030, 14040, 5060, match the following. If you would have known the trick which already prepared, how to remember the ISO numbers, you would have definitely answered this question. Environmental movements with their states in match the following was asked. Sustainable development goal, which we already reminded you to do all these things before going for the exam. Last video which we uploaded before the exam. 7th sustainable development goal is that too everyone has the access to affordable, reliable and sustainable energy. That was asked. Types of landforms in the match the following, it was asked. A criteria pollutant and a greenhouse gas, but which is not directly emitted. What will be the answer? The answer will be ozone. Yes, ground level ozone is a criteria pollutant, also greenhouse gas, but it is not directly emitted. It is the combination of primary gases. Next is smoke composition with T greater than 25 degrees, something was given. So these were some of the memory based questions. So in this slide we will analyze that results will favor whom. Yes, those who have done in-depth revision, their revision was solid, they would have definitely performed the better as compared to other candidates. Next is Zaclit 20 important concept, never missing concept, which we discussed in our video. Those who have watched that video and went through those topics, they would have also definitely performed well in the examination. Their chances of getting JRF is more. Next is previous year's question. That means previous June session also, which was cancelled. If you have done very wisely and with all the notes prepared, then that will definitely favor you in getting your goal, that is JRF. Next is very important, timely manage 150 questions. So those candidates, those who have managed their time well, they have not missed the question and attempted all 150 questions, they will be also given the favor. Even if you have performed well but you have left questions, then it will be not very easy to crack JRF, because one question has been a very important thing for many of the candidates for not getting a JRF or NET-LS. So if you have attempted 150 questions all, then definitely your chances are higher if you have accurately answered most of the questions. So this was the video which I wanted to tell you, and many of you were waiting for this. I hope it was useful for you. Now no need to panic, no need to worry about this. We should wait for the answer key, that is your responses. Then only we can make some videos like expected cutoff and all. If you want expected cutoff video after the answer keys are released, Don't forget to comment in the comment section. See you guys in the next video, and do subscribe to our channel Zaclit for further updates, and follow our Telegram group for the other information. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.